Jharkhand. Since its birth, this state has been realizing the impossible and outliving expectations. Demonstrating the very philosophy of India today. Make in India.
अब समय आ गया है जो झारखंड में आप अधिक से अधिक यहाँ इन्वेस्ट करें और इस राज्य को समृद्धि के साथ साथ राष्ट्र को समृद्धि करने में अपनी भूमिका अदा करें.
It's a young state. It's got 32 million people, and I think the potential is immense. So I think Jharkhand has a tremendous opportunity to capitalize on this focus by the government of India to make in India.
As per the World Bank report, Jharkhand is one of the leading states in ease of doing business amongst Indian states. This state knows how to cultivate a business environment that is easy to work in. Interactive system for identifying approvals. Single sign-on at single window portal eliminates the need of signing in multiple times. Single window also facilitates a completely online application for land allotment.
Robust processes, forward-looking industrial policy, labor reforms, skilled manpower, land bank, and very amenable business environment makes this land of opportunities and potential a very good investment destination.
Jharkhand, a state of countless crucial commercial capabilities, with abundance of raw material sources, a large market base in and around the state. Jharkhand knows no one can grow as islands. Only the right kind of connectivity connects you with the future that you foresee for yourself. Jharkhand, a state that knows power not only illuminates homes but also lives. A big leap has been taken towards sustainable power in Jharkhand to achieve the goal of 20,000 megawatt power generation capacity by 2020. Jharkhand, a state that knows opportunities multiply when knowledge meets research. Many directional changes like diversifying to other sectors like IT, ITES, food processing, tourism and energy, single window system for all clearances, and labor reforms for encouraging industrial peace and harmony in the state are being witnessed. Existing prominent research and development centers in Jharkhand will facilitate the world to make in India. This is a state that knows investing in youth is the biggest investment one can make. Jharkhand, home to innumerable reputed institutes that provide skilled manpower. With a view to promote sports and foster a spirit of sportsmanship, the Jharkhand State Sports Academy was established and is training them to become future sportspersons for the country. The Jharkhand government is determined to provide superior quality healthcare services at affordable rates in the state. With an aim to provide all facilities under one roof, the government has taken sustained efforts to establish global standards of medical facilities through cutting-edge technology, clinical excellence, and transparency in services. The government of Jharkhand believes in working seamlessly with industries to achieve all-round development and prosperity.
Jharkhand is a place to do business, to make investments in a big way in the mineral industry. That tells me the government is saying we're here to do business, we want the investments, we need the jobs. This is all part of the Make in India agenda.
I think in the last year and a half, the business environment has dramatically improved. I think the government is really working with the industry to solve our problems and make things happen. So really recommend Jharkhand as a place to invest in going forward.
People are very, very friendly, perfect industrial relationships and very, very good quality workforce. and overall it has been a very great experience. We are looking forward to expanding our services to rest of the Jharkhand.
One of the best thing we liked in Jharkhand is all the licenses you're going to have one window to clear. If we get all the licenses through one window, and this is what we're looking for, it saves our capital cost, it saves time, it saves a lot of things. So that's one of the reasons why Jharkhand is of a great attraction to us.
Jharkhand is a state that knows that ruling people is not governance, but empowering them is. The government is not just a facilitator here, but a partner in growth. And which is why several policies have been framed that favorably affect business and growth in major industries. And which is also why Jharkhand has emerged a favorable investment destination. The state has recently launched 6 new policies which include Information Technology and IT-enabled services, IT and ITES, Business Process Outsourcing, BPO, Startup, Electronic Systems Design and Manufacturing, ESDM, Automobile and Auto Components, and Textiles and Footwear. As one of the richest states in terms of natural resources, the state's industries enjoy a unique location-specific advantage as Jharkhand is close to the vast market of eastern and northeast India. And Jharkhand today has been on a growth trajectory under the visionary and dynamic leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Raghubar Das.